Wish you had a bookmark like mine? Well, no worries. We'll make one ourselves. And watch till the end for an amazing surprise. So, the things we need are beads, stickers, or any decorative material that you have available at home. Liquid glue or a glue stick. A pair of scissors. Ivory sheet cut into a square and some extra one. A sponge or a big eraser. So, what are we waiting for? Christmas? Let's get going! Firstly, we will take the square sheet of paper and fold it into a triangle like this. And fold it in a triangle like this. Then we will take this edge and pull it upward and fold it in another triangle like this. Then we take this end and fold it like this. Then we do the same with the other. Now we will take one end and fold it in the half triangle by putting the other half inside this. And we'll repeat this step again. Extra sheet of paper and cut a little strip from it. This much. Now we fold it in half and glue in the middle a little bit and we spread it if it's a liquid glue and fold it again. Then we fold this part till the middle and we fold this part as well and we apply glue. Now take the beads to decorate and done. Now we take the strip and stick it here, and this is how it will look after decoration. We can also use this bumblebee or this car, and my favorite clip just broke off, so I took off the top part and I will use it here. If you're in a creative mood, you can add this little bow, or you can sew this pom-pom here and it will look cute. So now you must be wondering, what's the surprise? So the surprise is this bookmark can be also used as a phone stand. What we need to do is, now we can take a sponge and fit it in here, or we can take a big eraser like this. Now we can take the phone and watch your videos.